From you hear the voice, you should know it says Bones. And from the other day, we are showing you some video with lyrics and things, be a sad video. So today we will show you one a happy video with our receipt. Yeah, man. So just sit down, grab a glass of water, and just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe. You see it? And big up on yourself.
Wagwan people no don't know a Sunday this. Some more want to check out them people your Instagram. I'm gonna link them all down in the description below, which is the Tabs Project, Conroy B. Wilson, Lyricrochester, and Brandon Marlon Anthony. So I'm gonna link all of them Instagram in the description. And I want to go follow them, especially the Tabs Project. So big up on yourself and let's get into the video. And them YouTube, I got them in the description below. It named The Chills. So I go just link that and I go over there, go like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, guys?
Wanna go on the rough, you know? You post that Warren wear me.
Well, yeah, but answer something that?
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, I never said I post a website. Come to the time, you want to hear about that one because we know Warren wear like you're not easy when you're ready, you know. So I have no filter, none whatsoever.
God have mercy. I can't hear. I bless the people, but guys, seriously, there was a major accident on the road today. About 4 persons died and stuff. So, guys, if you're driving, be careful on the road. Just be safe out there. Take care of yourself because we want you to be here to be able to enjoy this life and this experience. I'm gonna give it up so quick. Yeah, be safe, man.
It's serious, man. I saw the images and I was a bit traumatized, to say the least. Boy, I'm really disappointed for no say another taxi was involved.
Right.
But I don't know how much people are going to lose their lives to the government to actually take note that they need to do something about the reckless driving, primarily because of taxi drivers.
Yeah. But look here now, last week the big thing was about women, actually week before last. So who saw the video with the politician beating the woman?
Yeah, me hear, but me not see.
There's a video of a politician who was giving this lady some serious licks. And blood-cleansed lick. But the politician went to report that the lady attacked him.
So that's his response.
Yeah, he went and the lady reported. But the video shows him laying on some seriously. So, what do you think? Who do you think wrong? Do you think of the lady attacking?
Only in the jail peace cabinet that can happen.
My gosh, you know what? I just don't think anything justifies abuse. No matter the side or
Marlon, drink something tonight.
No, I'm not ignoring me now, but almost ready for bump him off for the car. So, me account everybody's strikes. Conrad gone 2, Marlon gone 1.
Drink something tonight.
Top song, I'm say, if them strike again for just cut them off the show.
Them say Andrew MP.
Listen now. I feel like for myself. I know I voted in the right. Stop it.
Oh my Lord, have mercy. Oh, precious
kind of sad
memories.
still, but we're kind of over the reports of the abuse. We kind of literally unfollow Lena Observer. I know, just to clear my mind. I can't deal with the stress. Every time I go on the news, I get so depressed. There's always some really tragic headlines. Plus the lockdown, the people that they're going mad. Guys, the top family okay. Only deal with the lockdown. It's not a sick
Marlon, I did with my cuss, but with JLP, I have to do with the man beating and stuff. And them some say, facts, Marlon, love you, Marlon. Marlon, unleash the bitterness. Welcome to the family.
But him have some fans, so my girl, so somebody say, Marlon, why is so sweet? Marlon, you look good for 30 though. Hey. Hello.
Limited edition. Welcome, boss. Marlon, drink it. Marlon, put on the green cup that you have. Put on the green cup.
Yeah, Marlon, it's a white cup.
Every screen wants to know what you're drinking, Marlon. Today's her birthday, so you better tell her the truth.
Oh, Lord.
Water. I'm only drinking water.
Him say my taste too much of the new girl, Angel Fly.
Oh my God. Listen to that.
Oh my God. How did they get oral sex?
So much away. If I'm only so much away, what's his secret? Because
how did they get the oral sex? I don't know, man. How did they get there?
Aries Queen, I defend it, wanna leave Marlon. All right, Aries Queen. Happy birthday again.
Them go anywhere they want to go. But the truth, only the JLP government could that happen.
All right, Marlon, don't.
Hello, Marlon. Yeah, upset my links them right now.
Oh, God.
You got to
That's the right one.
human abuse. Nah, go ahead. That's a blood cleanse.
Say Chef Aliyah say I love
Get
Marlon.
wrong.
Heart eyes. We can't manage, Alright. How much
Thank
you
you,
gonna share,
everybody.
Marlon? She's
Oh, my God. No, Marlon on fire this week.
oh my
Yeah,
god.
see my fan I'm hot, Marlon. Yeah, somebody get something. No, even
I
on the
drink
fire.
something. I drink something. I sweet.
I'm under pressure. I'm under pressure. I can't deal with it. We need to share safely, guys. If we're gonna do this, we'll have to share safely. I really hope you have a box of condoms at home.
Oh, God.
Right? You're prepared for us? Who must come first? May I come over first?
Yeah.
Me get first preference? So me have to beg
Oh,
for mine.
Nicola GLP.
Yeah,
Well, yes,
yes.
right
Lyric.
true. Right
Come
true.
to eyesight. Where on there?
Thank you. Right true.
No, come
Lyric.
eyesight. Where on? Give me a right hand.
Lyric.
Lyric,
Oh,
Lyric. Don't dry me out.
cheer.
Lyric, don't dry me out.
Hey,
Lyric, let's keep it neutral.
Hey, yeah, let's keep it neutral for
to
two.
my blood cleanse thing. Where you mean?
Let's keep it neutral.
Like I said, not a blood cleanse. I can't.
You
Listen.
see why your man left you?
Conroy, on that note, we're going to come back to you later in the show. I'm going to just log you off. That was strike number 3. Okay. We're going to bring off the first lady. Okay. How about that?
All right.
Guys, my vlog off on a rich uncle. The rich uncle has had too much to drink and I had to count the strikes. I'm sorry. Okay.
Cheers, big uncle. Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Say, I'm not stressing out tonight. I'm not getting in trouble. I'm just, she's, okay, first lady, you ready for we? All right, let me see if we can log our find out. Okay. What should they know? Ready for you now?
Guys, I can close my room door because my children are back, okay? Let me close my room door. Is that okay?
You don't want to hear the excitement, don't you?
I mean, the answer to no. Oh, I'm a mother there. I'm a brother there. Let's be able to say.
What? Hey, may I try search for Angel? Which part should there? Which part should there?
She shoots in her request, man.
Oh,
right.
you know.
All right, baby girl, I'm looking out for your request for me to add you because IG is behaving like stinky toes right now. Guys, all I do in the lockdown, honestly, I'm stressed out, I'm really stressed out. True.
How was this weekend for you? I saw you on the weekend still, so.
Yeah, okay, so this weekend was like so fly. Highlight of the month. I attended Marlon 3.0. And it was like
it wasn't a party, guys. It wasn't a party.
It wasn't
a
party. It was
a get-together.
Get-together, limited people. I felt so special. You know, like when they go on exclusive events and only celebrities come and it's like 10 people. And the food just expensive.
Yeah.
That's how it feel. I felt like a celebrity. Okay, so thank you, Marlon. That was amazing. You should just turn 30 all weekends long. This was great.
And then Pink well, go drop a picture.
10.0. Yes. You know, we're all a big family. I was in my mood. Though. Aries Queen, yes, I got gas this week. I mean, I think after the show, them answer them phone said, look like them ears have a complaint, but gas I answered. I said, go, let's go. Say go. You know, like we did solve your problems, but when you postpone them fix the problem same time. Yeah.
Fabulous babe saying that Marlon needs to Pink Wall congrats. But like people coming on with DM and them say congrats, but yo, it's a gossip site. The people them roll me out over the top of them a congrats.
It's okay, but guess what? Listen, in a matter, from people are talking important from your people are talking boss. I'm sorry, that's the truth.
So everybody who's on the live tonight from Pink Wall, welcome. This is Top Talk Live.
Alright guys, so I made it to the end of the video. I want to really go over them Instagram. I want to go over Chill's YouTube, go over the Tabs Project, Conrad B. Wilson, Lyricrochester, Brandon, Marlon, Anthony. Go over all of them page and just subscribe and follow them. You see me? And show enough love. I make them know it's Sunday and Bonez TV. Say big up. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Alright guys. Remember to give it a big thumbs up if you don't like the video. Don't forget to share out the video. Subscribe. Check out our merch. Link in the description. Follow up on Instagram. Slade_by.Sandy. And Ron_Bonez3. Remember to turn on the post notification bell. Click top we say all, so it show you a vibrating signal, so you won't you not go miss a upload anytime I upload. So remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out.